What's the meaning of county councillor? County councillor. County councillor.
County councillor. County councillor. A county councillor is an elected member of a local government council in charge of governing a specific geographic area known as a county. Their responsibilities include making decisions about and allocating funds for public services such as education, social care, and infrastructure. They also represent the interests of their constituents, attend council meetings, and work with other local government officials to implement policies and initiatives that benefit their communities. The role of a county councillor is important as they play a key role in shaping the future of their local area and improving the quality of life for its residents.